Yazi bafowethu, I came across this picture bafowethu online, sipostwe udata of statistics bafowethu. Even though ke ngingazi bafowethu ukuthi lama rankings ahamba kanjani. Kuthiwa these are top 20 greatest South African players bafowethu of all time. Ayingeke mina bafowethu, ngiyaphika mina bafowethu, hayi mina ngiyala bafowethu. Ngiyafisa ukwazi bafowethu ukuthi isiphi le criteria abayisebenzisile bafethu ukuthi baze bafike la, ngoba kunabantu mina bafethu that I don't think ukuthi they even belong la kule top 20 but babekiwe. Asazi ke noma mhlambe beyenziwa umuntu mhlambe uze fan of something noma we fan of i-team ethile bafethu, because siyabona futhi kunane team edominateile nje kakhulu la kuyona la bafethu. Kuthiwa ke hamba kanjena bafethu top 20 South African players of all time. Kuthiwa uLucas Radebe laphana, uBenny McCarthy, uDr Khumalo, uSteven Pienaar, uJoe Mosono, uPatrick Tsholong, uNeil Tovey, uShaun Bartlett, uMark Fish, uPhil Masinga, uSimphiwe Shabalala, uAaron Mokoena, uShoes Moshew, Itumele Ngkhune, uSiyabonga Nomvethe, uQuinton Fortune, uTiko Modise, uPercy Tau, uDillon Buckley noBernard Parker. Ayingeke bafethu, abanye bafethu I do feel ukuthi they do belong nabo la, but abanye ngeke bafethu, ngeke. When mangathiwa ubuya ngawo bafethu, wena i-top 20 yakho nawe ibingahamba kanje, because ayingeke kwakhona nje bafethu ukuthi ngathiwa uLucas Radebe ngampela is the greatest South African player of all time. Ayingeke. Noma mhlawumbe kiwa ngani bafethu, kusebenza ama-stats la noma kusebenza ushukela, because even ama-great defenders, mina wouldn't say ukuthi uLucas Radebe bafethu is the greatest defender to even come out of SA. Yena he was a great defender, ngeke sesikuphike lokho, but we can't say bafethu. O-Aaron Mokoena bafethu bafunani la no-Aaron Mokoena? Bafunani u-Aaron Mokoena? Because mina uBenny McCarthy uyena mhlawumbe bengambeka lapha bafethu as number 1. Lo muntu unane-Champions League, simbonile futhi ekora nasemagemini. uDr Khumalo kuba khona kwakhe bafethu, vele uDr Khumalo yibo abanye abantu abenza ukuthi ngisho i-Kaizer Chiefs ibe nane-fan base engaka bafethu, so bayakudeserve. I am not sure bafethu about uSteven Pienaar, as much as naye wadlalelile ama-team amakhulu, but ukuthi ngingathiwa uku-number 4, mhlawumbe mina bengingambeka nje kulama numbers ngale ka5 bafethu kuyale. Nangu noJoe Mosono, uJoe Mosono ke bafethu kususpendwe ngisho ijezi alidlali lapha naPirates, so naye I will expect ukuthi bengathiwa mhlawumbe he's a bit higher, noma badlala nje bafethu ama-FIFA rules engekho. Ayi bafethu, ngeke uSimphiwe Shabalala bafunani ke lana bafethu. uSimphiwe Shabalala I don't think bafethu ukuthi uyabelonga kule top 20. Yabona nje uSimphiwe Shabalala, uBernard Parker, hayi ngeke bafethu. Itumele Ngkhune yena bafethu, as much as ungena kwakhe lapha ku number 14, kusho ukuthi uKhune bafethu is the greatest keeper esake saba naye South Africa. Hayi ngeke nalokho bafethu, into engiyiphika le. Yena he was great bafethu, but hayi ngeke ukuthi singathi ngampela the greatest. Ayingeke bakhona amanye ama-player, amanye okhipha bafethu nababenze kangcono. Osiyabonga Nomvethe, uPercy Tau nje naye bafethu, uPercy Tau udlalile kwi-career yakhe iqala early, but kuthe uma kuhamba ikhathi bafethu wehla umgqiqo, waqala ngoba namanje phela akamdala ngaleyo ndlela uPercy Tau, but is no longer relevant. Ungena kanjani lana ukuthi azangene azazofika ku number 18? uTiko Modise naye bafethu, hayi ngeke, is questionable bafethu, it's questionable. So manje ngeke bafethu, yabona nje la, ayingeke lo muntu obenza lento bafethu, ngifisa ukwazi mina ukuthi yiphi criteria esetshenzisiwe bafethu ukuthi kuze kuphume le top 20 greatest South African players of all time, because ngeke wena mangathi ubuya ngokwakha ukubhale lapha ama-comment, ubungayibeka kanjani i-top 20? Because kunabantu nje mina bafethu engingaboni ukuthi abekho kanjani lana.